What's up, chat? How we doing today? Hopefully, you're having a good Wednesday. It is a good, 72 degrees outside. It's supposed to be raining soon, so um, yeah. Today I got a package that I had ordered about a week ago, I would say. Um, so without any further, let's unbox. Well, technically, I already unboxed it. I know this is supposed to be an unboxing, but I got Lewis Hamilton when he won his constructors championship. So as y'all can tell, he has the British flag on his hat with his helmet. He's wearing the all-white Mercedes uniform. Got his curls. Lewis Hamilton in the back of his head with the Pumas, if y'all can tell. So with his earrings, he actually got fined a year because he was wearing too much jewelry. So it's badass that they put the earrings on him, because technically you're not supposed to wear jewelry as a F1 racer. So yeah. Oh damn. This is my other one, the Checo, but I've had this one for a minute, so he's standing right next to it. I actually bought two. I usually buy two. I buy one to keep it on ice, as the kids would say. So keep it in the box, and then the other one to display it. I do that with all my Funko Pops. Maybe that's just a me thing. I know people do that with shoes, because I used to do that with well, I didn't do that with shoes because it was too expensive, so you barely get one pair, you know what I mean? But Funko Pops, definitely. I get two Funko Pops, one to keep it in the box and then the other one to display it. I know a lot of people don't like to open their Funko Pops and display them, but I do. Especially like I have, I used to have, because lost half of my collection due to a breakup. We'll talk about that on the podcast or whatever. But I used to have a Michael Jordan one when he was in the All-Star game here in San Antonio, and he's actually like dunking. There's another one where he's wearing the Chicago uniform. He was dunking too. So yeah, definitely display it. Display that one just because he's dunking and stuff. So, but yeah, guys, thank you for watching this video. Like I said, it's just a little unboxing of what I got. So thank you, and we'll see you next time.